To use a Google Lens on a Google Pixel phone, first we'll need to download app from our Google Play Store, and it's called Google Lens. Here it is, and we need to install this app to actually use it. Now we can open the app, and inside click right here to grant the access. There might be a pop-up to grant access to camera for the app. For me, I think I've previously downloaded the app and the access is here, but you may get that prompt, so be sure to accept that. Now to actually use the lens, you can do multiple things: translate any sentences, words, or whatever, use the search option, I'm going to show you that in a second, or do the homework. So for example, you can take a photograph of some mathematics, and then it will provide you with solution. So now let's go for a search, and I'm gonna scan this card right here and see if the Google Lens can find it on the website. So the camera won't fit in the screen, but you will see it. Okay, so we're searching for it, and as you can see, it just found the photos of the card that I just made a picture. And that's how you can use the Google Lens.